Okay, so this is exercise 8.1. The following questions. Question 4. Divide 210 into the ratio 1 is to 2 is a half. Well, with this ratio, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply all the ratios by 2. So I'm basically dividing into the ratio 2 is to 4 is to 1. To do ratios, what you do is you add all three ratios together and you get 7. There's 7 parts. This means the first one gets 2 sevens, the second one gets 4 sevens, and the third one gets 1 seventh. So I'll just get my 210 and multiply by 2 sevens. So 210 multiplied by 2 sevens, 210 multiplied by 2 sevens is equal to 60. 210 multiplied by 4 sevens is equal to 120, and 1 seventh is 30. Okay, and then when you add them all together, you get 210. Okay, next one. 585 centimeters in the ratio I have is to 2 is to 5. Once again, I'm going to multiply by 2. I'm going to get 1 is to 4 is to 10. Add them all up together, and I'm going to get 15 parts when you add them all up together. So I'm going to find out what 1/15 is. 1/15 is basically 485, 585 divided by 15, so 39. So the first person gets 39. They're going to multiply that by 4 to get 4/15. That's 156. And the other one is 390. Okay, so that's question 4 done. Question 6. So question 4 followed by question 6 at the moment is, in a competition, team A scored 22.5 points, team B scored A scored 22.5, B scored 17.5. The two teams shared a prize of 28,000 in proportion number of points scored. How much money does each team receive? Well, I could add them both together and I can get 40. And you add them both together, you get 40. A gets 22.5 over 40, and B gets 17.5 over 40, multiplied by 28,000. This one's also being multiplied by 28,000. So 22.5 divided by 40. Once you've done that, multiply by 28,000. And we get 15,750. 15,750. Same thing here. You do it all in one go. 17.5 divided by 40, multiply by 28,000. We get is 12,250. Okay, moving on. So what we'll do here is 12 and 14. So we did 4, 6, now 12 and 14. Okay, a glass rod falls and breaks into 3 pieces whose lengths from the ratio 8 is to 9 is to 5. The sum of the lengths of the 2 larger pieces is 119. Find the length of the third side. Okay guys, so what I want you to do is treat the full rod. The full rod is of length x. Okay, when you add them together, you get 70 and you get 22 parts. So it's going to be 8 over 22, 9 over 22, and basically 5 over 22. When you add 2 larger parts together, you're going to get 17 out of 22. Now 17 out of 22 is the same thing as 119. So what you want to find out is find the length of the third side. Okay, so we find out what 122 is. So we're going to divide 119 by 17, and what we're going to get is 7 times. And then the smaller side is 5 over 22, so we're going to multiply that by 5, and the answer therefore is 35 centimeters. Okay, and that's for question 12. And now we have question 14. At a certain school, the ratio of number of second year students to number of fourth year students is 8 8 to 5, so 8 is to 5. This is for second year. And the ratio of first year students to the number of second year students, second year to fourth year, excuse me. So, second to fourth is in the ratio 8 is to 5. There's more second year. So for every 5 fourth year students, there's 8 second year students. The ratio of first year students to the number of second years is 3 is to 4. So first is 3, second is 4. Okay. If the ratio of the number of third year students, so third is to fourth, is 3 is to 2. What is the ratio of the number of first years to the number of third years? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and write down first, second, third, and fourth. So you can do it this way, okay? Now, so that's third is the first, first is the fourth. Is that first is sorry, just the second years. Okay, now this ratio here means for every 8 students, there's 5 fourth years. Okay, I'm going to multiply this one by 2, the first and second year. So for every 6 first years, there's 8 second years. So now we can put in 2 here. Okay, and now we know for every 2 fourth years, there's 3 third years. So if I multiply this by 2.5, I can turn that into 5, because that's the number down here, and then I get 7.5 third years. Now all of a sudden the ratio of first to third years is 2 is to 7.5. Multiply that by 2 and you're going to get 4 is to 15. Okay, 4 is to 15. Sorry guys, quick mistake there. The mistake was made when the first years is 6, not 2. Okay, so 6 is to 7.5. So we're going to double. That's the answer for first to third is 6 is to 7.5. Double it and we get 12 is to 15, which is the same thing as 4 is to 5. Okay, so 4 is to 5 is the answer.